Hi guys, this is Ismail Sheikh and today I'm going to teach you how to create a table using SQL. So please stay tuned and please subscribe to my channel. Let's learn. So let's get started here. So what is the table? Table is nothing but it's a combination of rows and columns which is arranged, and it's a grid which is called as table. So it consists of rows which are the horizontal cells and the columns which are the vertical cells. The anatomy of a table. So here you can see the table consists of rows and columns. Rows are the horizontal cells and the columns are the vertical one. It consists of a primary key which is a unique ID. We will be checking that in later videos. So let's see how we can create a table using SQL. So we require an engine which will be necessary to create a table using SQL. So this is the engine which is known as Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. So first we have to select a database and click on new query. So first we have to select the database. That can be done by use key, and we have to select the database name, use database name, and you have to click on execute. So here you go, you will be able to see that you have entered the database. Now you can create a table. The syntax for it is create table and the table name. So table name will be tab 1 and you have to enclose it with brackets, opening and closing bracket, and then you have to enter the name of the columns which you are going to enter and their data types. So here I've taken name, and the data type will be varchar, which is used for strings. It's used for names and if you want to enter characters. And second one will be age, and the data type will be int, that is integer. The third one will be the ID, which is the unique ID, and the data type will be int for it. So that's how you can create a database, the table, and you have to execute it, and you will be able to see the command run successfully. But the problem here is that there is no data inside this table. So let's check if there is any data. So we have to enter select star from the table name, that is tab 1, and you have to click on execute, and you will be seeing that there's no data entered yet. So I will be teaching you how to enter the data in this table. So yeah, so you have to add this query insert into and the table name, and you have to enclose it with the bracket, the opening one and the closing one, and then you have to enter the column names. The first one be names, the second one is age, and the third one is ID, and we have to enter the values for this particular columns. So we have to enter the syntax as values, and we have to enclose it with the brackets, opening one and the closing one, and then we have to enter the values. For string we have to enter with a single inverted comma, and then we have to enter the name. I have entered Ismail there, that's my name, and you have to enter comma, and other will be for the age, let's take 25, and the last one will be ID, let's take it as 1, and we have to select this query from insert, and then we have to click on execute, and you can see that one row has been affected. And to see what's the data, well, you have to select the query which was select star from tab 1, and you can see the data has been inserted in the table. So this is a simple way to add data into the table. So let's take a recap of what we did. We created a table, we inserted the columns, and then we inserted the values to each column. So let's take another example. We will be inserting other data for other row. We'll be inserting second row to this table. So let's check, let's take it as Sheikh. Let's change the age. Let's take it as I Sheikh. The second one will be let's change the age, and let's give the ideas too. And we have to select this query and click on execute. Now you can see there's another row which has been affected. To view what has been changed, you have to enter select star from tab 1, and you can see another row has been added to this table. So that's how we add a table and insert the values to the table. So if you like this video, please like the video and please share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching.